A damp cloth rinsed in any mild, non-abrasive liquid detergent is recommended for cleaning the surfaces of the ITCB. Do not clean any portion of this equipment with a water jet device or immerse in water. Always check and clean each spray head on a regular basis. Begin by removing the spray head from the brewer and disassemble the spray head by removing the seal. Use the pointed end of the spray head cleaning tool to remove any mineral deposits from the holes of the spray head. Then insert the long end of the spray head cleaning tool into the spray head fitting and rotate the tool several times to remove any mineral deposits from the fitting. Finally, assemble the spray head and reattach the spray head to the equipment and tighten by hand. Once the machine and spray head are cleaned and buildup is removed, the machine must be recalibrated to achieve the desired flow rate. We recommend an easy 3-step method for cleaning and sanitizing the dispenser. First consists of a cleaning detergent mixed with water to form a cleaning solution. Second, a fresh water rinse. And finally, a non-chlorine sanitizer mixed with water to make a sanitizing solution. Ensure the dispenser is empty. Fill the server with a non-chlorine cleaning solution. With a brush, scrub the interior of the dispenser. Once complete, drain and thoroughly rinse the inside of the server using fresh water. Prepare a package of K5 sanitizer solution with 75-degree water to get a mixture of 50 to 100 parts per million. Finally, fill the server again with a non-chlorine sanitizing solution and let the server sit for no more than 5 minutes. Thoroughly rinse the entire server after cleaning. Now we will clean the faucet parts. Locate the faucet wing nut and turn in a counterclockwise direction to remove it from the dispenser. Now disassemble the faucet. Inspect the seat cup. This should be replaced every 6 months. Transfer all the faucet parts to a 3-compartment sink for cleaning, and wash with the cleaning solution. Rinse all parts with warm water. Prepare a package of K5 sanitizer solution with 75-degree water to get a mixture of 50 to 100 parts per million. Then place into the sanitizer solution. And clean the faucet shank using the supplied brush. Reattach the faucet to the server shank, but do not over-tighten the faucet wing nut. Hand tighten only. Please refer to your programming manual and server installation guide for more information and cleaning tips.